I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what is this? Well, they call it Driftwood Garland. And I saw it at one of these high-end boutique shops, and I thought, hey, I can make this. I can do this real easy. So I'm going to show you how to make it. But I just wanted to, I set it in the yard. What it does is it really gives it detail and depth. I imagine these things will last for 2 years and fall down. I really just have the sticks in there with fishing line. Fishing line will fall in 2 years and I'll have to redo it. But let me show you how to do it. Let's go do it. And let's just go to the shop and have some fun. Okay, first thing we did is we picked up some sticks. Got some dead ones, got some live ones, different sizes, different shapes. Try to get them all, relatively 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches, so that's relatively the same size. Let's go cut them up. Doesn't really matter how you cut them or break them, as long as you get them roughly what I call 3 to 5 inches. Okay, we have our bucket of sticks. Again, don't care how you cut them. There's more than one ways. You can have a rough cut, you can have a clean cut. Doesn't matter. 100 ways to cut them, whatever works for you. Now we got to drill a hole. Same thing. I've got a 7/64 drill here. I'm using a hand drill. Whatever works for you. You got a drill press. That works. Just get a hole. Drill them. We're ready to go. The drilling's all done. They're all drilled. Now the tedious part, you got to start threading them. I do like to take a good solid piece to start at the bottom and just start threading them like that. It's easy, it's fun. There's no real set ways. Pick them and go. Alright, here's what we got so far. We're looking pretty good. We got a great start. We're just going to finish this up and then go hang it in the yard. As we come to an end, I've saved 2 good pieces for the very bottom, because what's going to happen is this is going to be your bottom piece. So I am going to take this last piece and tie the fishing line around it several times. So I'm going to thread it through once, thread it through again. I'm then going to tie it off. A couple granny hitches, clip off the excess. We now have our finished product. Hey, and that looks pretty good. I really like that. I like how the sticks just kind of find their own way and their own length. Now, the fun part, gotta go hang it. And this is where we'll have some fun. All right, got our product. Gonna find a spot in the tree, and here's the beauty of this. Take our line and throw it. Give it some string, and I'm just gonna take this, throw it over. How about that? Here you go. We're gonna hang this. Hey, here we go. We're gonna hang this. We're gonna tie it off, and we're gonna hang it. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you had some fun. Hey, cost us nothing. Took us a little time. We got a great little project. Hope you had fun. I know I did. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger. Just another backyard project.